MarketPro3 uses a multifaceted approach to deliver effective marketing messages to your ideal service customers. The cornerstone of this strategy is database management services, ensuring precision targeting by maintaining the accuracy of customer data year-round. MarketPro3 gets big results with our intelligent direct mail. Our proprietary database system allows us to identify customers at various vehicle stages and maintenance intervals. We then send customized offers to ensure your dealership is top of mind for your customers' upcoming service needs. Our personalized website campaigns expand your online presence by creating captivating digital destinations that correspond with your other campaigns, maintaining a consistent brand across all platforms. Email marketing campaigns transform customer connections, reaching customers where they are, twice per month, ensuring a crystal clear message on any device. MarketPro3's paid search ensures your dealership grabs the spotlight on search engine results, driving quality leads through precision data matching. Social media campaigns actively engage the perfect audience on Facebook and Instagram, turning prospects into loyal customers with lead generation and retargeting campaigns. We offer fixed ops marketing excellence and efficiency, redefining success in the automotive industry, and we invite you to explore the opportunities. MarketPro3, driving fixed ops marketing excellence.